Coatcheck Plus is easy to use. Simply insert a ticket roll in the device, close the clip, and you are ready to print your own tickets, including cloakroom tickets, entrance tickets, and/or luggage labels. Print a ticket with the button on the side of the ticket printer. With the optional keyboard, it is possible to print 5 different tickets. The number keys make it possible to print any desired number of tickets. By entering a self-selected PIN code, you get an overview of all daily sales. We call this an X report. Tickets can continue to be printed immediately after the X report is run. At the end of the day, you can make a final report of all of the daily sales. After printing this Z report, the number of your tickets will automatically start over. So, your ticket printer is ready for the next day. The printer is easy to program via an app on your phone. You have complete control over your printer because all the data and logos can be adapted. This is how easy it is to print your own tickets.